Hello wonderful smart investors, welcome to another inspection show. Today I'm showing you this 4-bedroom terrace duplex in Orchid, Lekki, Lagos. This estate is strategically located in a location whereby you can use it for anything you would like to do in real estate. Talk about shortlet businesses, rental income, even raising families. It is a very good location in this Orchid axis. Let's go inside and see what we have for you. This estate is having ample parking. You have like two cars can park at the same time. This is the sitting room. The sitting room is spacious enough. Here is the kitchen. The kitchen comes fitted, comes with the burner, heat extractor, the cooker, the oven, and a lot like that. You can see how spacious the kitchen is as well. Comes with its cupboard. It's a 4-bedroom, so this is the room down, which is the visitor's room. Each room comes en suite. You can see this is the toilet and the bedroom, the shower, and it comes with its wardrobe. Back to the sitting room. You can see the POP design. Now let's climb the stairs and go check the 3-bedroom we have upstairs. This is the family lounge. You can see it's a spacious family lounge, sizable enough. This is the second room. Each room comes en suite with its wardrobe. You can see wide ventilation. This is the bedroom and the toilet. And let's check the third room. You can see it's spacious enough. This estate is having top-notch security. We have the perimeter fencing, we have the electric fencing, we have the DSTV pre-installed. It is well interlocked. And it is in a very good location here in Orchid axis. So now let's check the master bedroom. You can see the master bedroom is spacious. The wardrobe over there. This is the toilet and bedroom. The bedroom comes with jacuzzi. You can see it's well spacious. This is a very wonderful investment for you if you're thinking of doing shortlet or any of the money-making business in the real estate. For more information of how you can secure a unit in this estate, call the number below, book your inspection, and I will show you this wonderful edifice here in Orchid axis. Thanks for watching and have a nice time. Bye.